Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for HubSpot. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. First, navigate to the official HubSpot website. Look for the prominent Get Started Free button, usually found on the home page. Click this button to begin your journey. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address to create your brand new account. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your powerful new CRM. Once you've entered your email, the next step involves providing some essential details about yourself and your organization. You'll be asked for your name, your company's name, and the industry you operate in. Additionally, select your primary role within the company and indicate the approximate number of employees. Finally, choose your main objective for using HubSpot. This helps tailor your experience right from the start. Now it's time to customize your HubSpot experience by selecting the specific hubs you need. You can choose from options like the CRM, Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, or Service Hub, depending on your business goals. The platform will then ask a few quick questions about your specific business needs and objectives. Confirm your selections to ensure your setup is perfectly aligned with what you aim to achieve with HubSpot. Almost there. The final step is to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from HubSpot and click the link to activate your account. Once verified, you'll gain immediate access to your personalized HubSpot dashboard. From here, you can begin exploring all the powerful tools and features designed to help you manage your customer relationships and grow your business effectively. Welcome aboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.